Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss about abbreviations from 10th class English medium. Abbreviations gives at least half to 1 mark from the public examination. Remember children, every mark counts. ATP, also called energy currency, abbreviation for the ATP is adenosine triphosphate. ADP, the loss of phosphate from ATP gives ADP. The abbreviation for the ADP is adenosine diphosphate. NADPH, also called assimilated energy. The abbreviation for the NADPH is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogen phosphate. Of course, NADP also nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Blood pressure. Normal blood pressure for a healthy human is 120/80. BP, abbreviation for the BP is blood pressure. Here you see a picture, sphygmomanometer, which is useful for measure blood pressure. Then PCT and DCT. The parts of the nephron: PCT, proximal convoluted tubule; DCT, distal convoluted tubule. Then NaCl and MgSO4, both are salts absorbed by the plant roots from the soil. NaCl, sodium chloride; MgSO4, magnesium sulfate. Then ESRD, end stage renal disease, which is also called uremia. If a person suffers from both kidneys damaged, the situation is called uremia and also called end stage renal disease. CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. You can see cerebrospinal fluid here, which protects the brain from the external shocks. Then CNS and PNS and ANS. CNS is central nervous system, PNS peripheral nervous system, ANS autonomous nervous system. CNS combines brain and spinal cord, PNS combines nerves and spinal cord, ANS sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Then three hormones: ACTH, LH and FSH. ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone; LH, luteinizing hormone; FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. Three hormones are released by the pituitary gland, which is located in the brain at the hypothalamus area. Pituitary gland is also called master gland. Here you see a logo called World AIDS Day logo, December 1st, World AIDS Day. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus; AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Both are very important. Then STD, sexually transmitted disease; syphilis, gonorrhea, AIDS are all called sexually transmitted diseases. ASHA workers, you see here, accredited social health activist. DNA and RNA. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid; RNA, ribose nucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid structure is double helix structure. RNA has single strand. Then DO and BOD. DO, dissolved oxygen; BOD, biochemical oxygen demand or biological oxygen demand. Then EBWR, Edulabad Water Reservoir, located in Telangana. MOEF, Ministry of Environmental and Forest. Then CWS and TMC. CWS, Center for World Solidarity. Center for World Solidarity, located in Hyderabad. Work for the CWS is protecting the natural resources, especially water. TMC, 1000 million cubic feet, is a measurement for the water. BBF, broad bed furrow, is a type of cultivation method BBF. Then MTR, mountain top removal, also called mining. So mountain top removal, also called mining, which for minerals. 4 R's, very important: reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. 4 R's. There may be a 4 marks question or 2 marks question or 1 mark question or half mark bit. Recycle logo is also here. So in our textbook, recycle logo also given. So dear students, you have to remember the recycle logo. Then ICRISAT and IUCN, International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics, ICRISAT, located in Hyderabad. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. Then environmental education abbreviations are also given. SEZ, Special Economic Zone. HFC, hydrofluorocarbons. PFC, perfluorocarbons. SSD, Sardar Sarovar Dam. NIMS, Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences. ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. WHO, World Health Organization. So here 3 logos given in our textbook: AIDS Awareness Day logo, Recycle logo and Sustainable Development logo. 3 logos are very important for the upcoming public examinations. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe.